This is the Wire Size Interactive Calculator, designed to help engineers determine proper wire sizing for electrical circuits. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options. Calculate minimum wire size, calculate voltage drop, calculate maximum safe current, calculate maximum circuit length, or calculate wire resistance. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Minimum Wire Size. Next, choose your wire gauge from 18 AWG options, ranging from 18 AWG down to 0000 AWG. I'll select 18 AWG. For conductor material, choose between copper or aluminum. I'm selecting copper. Temperature rating offers 3 options: 60 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, or 90 degrees Celsius. I'll use 60 degrees Celsius. Now enter your circuit parameters. For current in amperes, I'll enter 15. System voltage in volts, I'll use 12. One-way length in feet, let's say 25. And maximum voltage drop percentage, I'll set to 3%. After clicking Calculate, the results show your minimum required wire size, actual voltage drop percentage, maximum safe current capacity, wire resistance, power loss in watts, and maximum circuit length possible. Each output helps verify your wire selection meets safety requirements and performance specifications. Find the link in the description below.